Okay, tubes, today we're going to start working on the Agricat. It's the 1950s. We're going to rebuild the engine. We're going to start the teardown.
How you doing, tubes? Taking off the transmission cover here.
What is that, 3 speeds?
2 forwards and 1 reverse and a neutral, so yeah, you could say 3 speeds total. Slow and slower. Just making sure everything's looking okay. I think all the bearings and the bushings in this transmission are okay, so we're just going to go ahead and leave it alone.
There's all the clutches back here.
Yep, steering clutches.
So what are you taking off first?
Starter generator bracket, maybe the shroud, the air cleaner, the carburetor. To start tearing it down from. I primed this stuff already, but sand it down and paint it again. This is a Briggs Model 23A. Wasn't the best engine Briggs ever made, but it gets the job done. I think this bracket's actually original for a 23, so fits and it should work good. Alright, so
Taking out the carb.
yeah, let's take the carb off. Take off the air intake and the air cleaner. If I can get to it. Go ahead and pull the shroud off now. Want to hand me that breaker bore? Won't need it.
Okay, we got it.
There it is. Just had to use some elbow grease, huh, buddy?
Yep. Got a hammer.
On the other side of the toolbox.
All the tubes are going to say don't pound on that. You're going to smash it out.
Well, we ain't all the tubes.
There we go.
Got her off.
You got it, tubes.
Look at that beauty.
Piece of junk.
That's that one we put in.
Yeah.
It's the one we chopped down and put in there.
Mm-hmm.
Fits like a glove.
Oh,
Okay, see what this is. There's the set screw down there. Yeah, it's just a newer coil from a newer Briggs.
Yeah.
Chopped it down, put it in there.
Okay, I see what you did.
Yeah, when you spin this over, that rotor just misses it here.
It actually works pretty good.
Yeah.
Good job. Oh, you taking this off now?
Yeah, let's get to the head first and see what's going on with the piston.
Alrighty.
Go ahead and take the head off now, I guess. Take the throttle off.
You can mount a throttle cable closer to the dash.
I'm gonna put it on the dash.
Yeah.
And choke. The choke cable. And do a pull knob. Everything right there. Start it from one place.
Yep.
I can't wait to get this thing done. Oh yeah, there's some oil in there.
Yep.
Ooh, it's time for some new rings or something. See how bad the damage is. Well, we figured out that the piston has a lot of play in it side to side. It's going to need rebored and honed. That's probably why it was hard to start, and it wasn't really smoking it. That's what I don't get. And actually, the valves aren't bad. Lap them a little bit, seat them in good, but the valves are okay. The piston needs work, and that's about as far as we got right now. Oh, she's out. Well, we're going to go ahead and keep taking it apart, and we'll come back here in a few minutes and we'll get some more stuff off.
Okay. Right, hammer on that a little bit more.
Finally getting it off, maybe.
Okay.
Finally. I don't know, how's that held into place?
I think it's just pressed, maybe.
So really, whenever I put this back together, all I need to do really, little bolts and locks and flats.
Yeah.
I don't even need that plate back on there, really.
Can you take this off right now?
Yep. Looks like it.
There we go. Let me see the hammer. There you go. Yeah, it's just pressed on. Not too bad.
Is there a keyway in there?
Yeah. Okay, so now we're gonna drain the oil and check out the
internals.
Yep.
Maybe.
See if the connecting rod, how wore that is. Not too bad.
Well, that looks worn.
Still kind of hard to tell. How much is it play in that connecting rod?
Side to side, you mean?
Yeah. It's actually not too bad.
That's about where you want it, right?
Yeah, not too bad.
That's not bad at all. I think the connecting rod's fine. I mean,
I'll still probably replace it just because.
If I can find one for.
Yeah, we're on a budget here, tubes.
Yeah.
Not like Road King.
Patreon.
Yeah, it was Social Security check. Alright, that's probably all the farther we're going to do tonight. We got a decent amount of parts off. Now pretty much just the main block and the pulley. So, we'll probably do that next episode. See ya.